So, now that the wheels are back out, let's find out how it works like this.
Nope, the one in front. That's the wheel again.
Okay. So, did I do this one yet?
Spin this one.
Okay. So, this.
You can spin this one for that one too, right?
And then this one here spins everything like this. It even spins the rear motors and the front motors.
Alright, and how about, can you change the pitch on the rotors?
This here goes up, down, up, down. You can also do this.
No, don't pull them there.
Okay. So,
good job. It's coming along,
let's
right?
figure. So,
No, you got it right. Yep, that's it.
so let's here deploy the hook. Down it goes. Whee!
So all of this will, of course, be controlled by a nice little gearbox.
But the emergency exit we don't have controlled yet. So we can pull this back